and before applying you should have the certificate, so that you can, whenever you are applying the form, you can always.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute.
Most important thing is form will be out, and there will be certain time, like the duration of time form will be open. You have to fill your form, and this is very, very important to know your category. So very carefully you should choose, and best way to avoid any kind of confusion is to obtain a certificate, right certificate, so that you will be having the certificate, and then you will not have any problem during the counseling or when you will clear the NIFT entrance. So you will have your certificate. So this is recommended. You should always get your certificate first, and this is the right time. This is very, very important for all of you to obtain the certificate, right certificate for yourself, so that whenever form will be out in next week or next to next week, you can apply for right category, and any kind of later, any kind of, when you see, okay, if you are qualified and then you will see you are not able to get the certificate because of some reason, then that time your admission will be cancelled and you won't be able to get. Again, you have to apply in the general and you will have face consequences. So to avoid that, this is recommended. These are the format of certificate: economic weaker section, general, EWS. So the economically weaker section, general, EWS will be reserve category, in which the percentage of reservation is 10%, right? So all the district magistrate, additional district magistrate, collector, deputy collector, additional deputy commissioner, first class. So these are the detailed, the revenue officer not below the rank of Tahsildar and sub-divisional officer. So these are the authority from where you can get the certificate, and this is the format. So do not make your EWS certificate in any other format. This is the format which you should apply EWS to the concerned officer, and you should ask. They will give you in this format, and if you have certificate, in that case you are in safer side. Now if you are applying under EWS, you know that you have the certificate and you are under EWS. So best time, this is the best time when you should obtain your certificate to avoid any kind of confusion later.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
We have seen a lot of students, they were not able to submit their certificate during the counseling, or they have filled form in the wrong category and later then they were not able to join the NIFT. So this is strongly recommended for all of you to obtain the certificate. State domicile. Now for this you have to, again, in case the candidate obtained the qualifying certificate at UG level through distance learning, so the candidate domicile state for both UG and PG program would be determined to be the state which the candidate has completed his or her class 12th examination. Copy of the certificate from the concerned school college should be submitted. So from wherever you have you did your 12th examination, you should obtain a certificate from the college, school, to get this state domicile reservation, right? So these all things you should now only you should you should make so that OBC non-creamy. So for this also this is the format, right? And you should prepare this, and before applying you should have the certificate so that you can, whenever you are applying the form, you can always produce this, and during the counseling and later, to avoid any kind of confusion, you should always obtain, and this is very, very important certificate. This is the format, and these are the authorities from you can get this certificate. Let's move to the next. This is scheduled caste, scheduled tribe category. Candidate applying under the reserved quota will have to produce a caste tribe certificate from the competent authority of the respective state, union territories, National Commission of Tribes. So these are the format for these certificates. So everything is there. You can download this PDF from the Ignite India app, and all these formats are kept in the Ignite India app. You can go there, you can download, and these are the categories for you need these certificate, and this is recommended to make this certificate before you apply. So later also, if you if you have to renew, if you will produce this certificate, you will easily get this certificate again if in case it is required to get in a different date. You can change it easily, but you will be in a safer side. When you have this certificate with you, you will be in a safer side too. So this is very, very recommended for you to obtain these certificates to get into NIFT.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.